This is to finish the other video because my finger hit the back button and canceled out, so I couldn't finish it after I showed you the creases. This tool is a great idea. It just doesn't work the way it should. You know, it doesn't hold the nails well. It makes the repair go twice as long. You create gouge marks where you're trying to nail when the nail stops working the way you want it to. In order to get the nails flush, you need to put the bottom of this against the shingle, which then creates these broken granulars and divots in the shingle. So these divots weren't here prior to the storm, and you're also doing that on the repaired shingle as well. So as I'm nailing these shingles up here, I'm then hitting these granulars right here, and I'm breaking these and putting divots in them as well. This needs to be perfected more. It's not there yet. So in the current phase, this should never be used for a repair attempt. Should not be putting divots into the shingles beneath it when you're nailing them in. Additionally, the crease shingles happened and can't reseal down. I will leave the repaired shingle that we took out at the house if you guys need to come get it and do some sampling to see availability. Let me know your thoughts. In my professional opinion, doing this repair 100 times or whatever, it doesn't make any sense. Yeah, you're going to be compromising the roof system, and I think the whole roof needs to be replaced.